Digitales Immobilienwesen bezieht sich auf den Besitz und die Verwaltung von Vermögenswerten im Online-Bereich, wie Websites, Domainnamen und virtuelle Grundstücke. Im Jahr 2026 sind diese digitalen Vermögenswerte zunehmend von wertvoll geworden, da immer mehr Unternehmen und Einzelpersonen ihre Aktivitäten ins Internet verlagern. Die Nachfrage nach erstklassigen digitalen Standorten spiegelt den Wettbewerb wider, der auf den physischen Immobilienmärkten zu beobachten ist. Da sich die Technologie weiterhin entwickelt, spielt digitales Immobilienwesen eine entscheidende Rolle bei der Gestaltung der Online-Sichtbarkeit, der Markenpräsenz und der Umsatzmöglichkeiten. Das Verständnis dieses Umfelds ist für jeden, der in der modernen digitalen Wirtschaft erfolgreich sein möchte, unerlässlich.
Digital real estate refers to valuable assets that exist online, much like physical property in the real world. This includes domain names, which are unique web addresses that can be bought, sold, or leased. Websites themselves are also considered digital real estate, as they can generate income through advertising, e-commerce, or content. Other online assets, such as social media accounts, mobile apps, and virtual storefronts, also fall under this category. Together, these digital properties can hold significant value and offer opportunities for investment and growth in the digital economy. Domain names serve as the digital addresses of the Internet, making them essential assets for businesses and individuals alike. Their value often depends on factors such as memorability, relevance, and market demand. Premium domain names can command significant prices, sometimes reaching thousands or even millions of dollars. The buying and selling of domain names typically occurs through specialized marketplaces, auctions, or private negotiations. As the online landscape continues to grow, the importance and worth of strategic domain ownership only increase. Websites can be viewed as digital properties, much like physical real estate, offering unique opportunities for ownership and investment. By creating valuable content or services, website owners can attract visitors and generate revenue through methods such as advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products. As traffic and engagement grow, the earning potential of a website often increases, making it a scalable asset. Strategic improvements, such as optimizing for search engines or expanding features, can further enhance a site's value. Over time, successful websites may even be sold for a profit, demonstrating their role as dynamic digital investments. In 2026, the landscape of online assets continues to expand beyond traditional websites and cryptocurrencies. Social media accounts, for example, have become valuable digital properties, often representing significant influence and brand presence. Digital storefronts on e-commerce platforms offer entrepreneurs new avenues for revenue and customer engagement. Additionally, virtual real estate in emerging platforms is gaining traction, with users investing in spaces within digital worlds for business, entertainment, and social interaction. These diverse assets highlight the evolving nature of value in the digital economy. The future of digital real estate is shaped by rapid technological advancements and shifting consumer behaviors. Key trends include the rise of virtual property platforms, the integration of blockchain for secure transactions, and the growing importance of digital assets in the metaverse. These developments open up new opportunities for investors and creators, allowing for innovative ways to buy, sell, and monetize virtual spaces. However, challenges such as regulatory uncertainty, cybersecurity risks, and market volatility remain significant concerns. As the landscape evolves, staying informed and adaptable will be crucial for success in this dynamic sector. As we look ahead to 2026, the landscape of digital real estate continues to evolve, offering unique opportunities for both builders and investors. The potential for growth remains strong, driven by advancements in technology and increasing online engagement. Careful research and strategic planning are essential to navigate this dynamic market successfully. By staying informed and adaptable, individuals and businesses can position themselves to benefit from the expanding digital economy.